Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is what a corn looks like, honey.
A 3-minute egg must boil for 3 minutes.
Yo quiero.
Answer it for me? I can't stop what I'm doing right now and my hands are full.
Yeah! Hello, this is Kitty.
Bruh.
Audio Jungle.
Bruh.
Audio Jungle.
Bruh.
Audio Jungle.
Bruh. Bruh.
Audio Jungle.
I heard your phone addiction is strong. Let me
That's right. Guys with Cash for Gold signs gets you people's unwanted crappy jewelry, which when added to a cable-based shopping network divided by demented old people equals...
Kenny, will you tell Cartman to shut up?
You're a fucking asshole. Oh, I'm an asshole for doing math!
It'll sometimes release a sort of...
Ew! That doesn't taste like a gusher!
Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's good, G? What the
Yo,
fuck
can I
is
get a
this, dog?
spot?
What the fuck is this?
Nah, bro, get that shit out of here.
What's wrong with you?
He's trying to say something. His final words.
I want a goddamn cheeseburger and some goddamn fries, you fucking goo bags!
Mommy?
Yes?
Mommy?
Yes?
What? You get back here, you little...
What the?
Yeah, I'd like to solve the puzzle.
All right, go ahead. That's it, yeah.
Get that fucking cube out of my face!